Hi guys, I got some, what is it called? Destash haul to share with you all today. And I just got it in the mail. But I didn't even get a chance to cut the box open, so let me just cut this open. Here's our online haul, guys. This is what I purchased. Destashed some of her flowers. Anyway, I picked them up. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Rosa, thank you so much. Just this one flower, it has iridescent in it, and it has tulle. So pretty. And these peaches are the same flower, just different color. You see that? It's got the little stamens in the middle. Gorgeous. This one has the foam in the middle. I just realized that. Okay, let me scoot this over. Oh, so I can put this, bring all these beautiful flowers up. This is so pretty. Look at the center. And this one's not even opened, guys. It's still packaged. Let me just show you. The leaves here are iridescent. Oh my gosh, I'm just imagining this for like Christmas. The Santa baby collections. Can you see all these flowers, guys? So pretty. This is already a lot. And I think I paid 30. I might be wrong, but 30. And it's a whole box load of beautiful, beautiful flowers. Look at the color. This is so pretty. I keep saying look at the colors because you don't find these, at least I have never seen these in like Hobby Lobby and stuff like that, or even Michael's. So maybe I'm wrong, but I've never seen it. Look at this beautiful spray. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. So the same as this one, but it's white. So pretty. Oh, look at this one. So I think I also got one from Luisa's Destash, similar to this one, where it has flowers and then it has the leaf and then it has these sprays. And I believe so because I used it with last year's Christmas swaps and challenges and stuff. So love, love, love these sprays. Oh my god, look at this one. It's like lace, guys. It's not even open. Like it's still shut closed. I think I just want to open it. I'll put it back in, but this is so delicate. Look. Look at those sprays. This one's like they're in like loops. And these are, yes, repositionable. Oh, this is so pretty. Rosa, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing your goodies with us. All four of us that purchased your Destash. Such an amazing, amazing Destash. That is gorgeous. Yeah, you guys, I just so happened to be so lucky to catch her live. I mean, not live, her video. Oh my gosh, this is like, it reminds me of, I don't know why it reminds me of hummingbirds. This is so pretty. The mailman left this at my door. That's why I didn't know until now that that I had mail, or that the flowers that can come in. Oh, look. So pretty. So some are loops. I don't know if I'm even in frame. And then some are just the regular, the 3-strand sprays. Oh, it's so pretty. And then they have some in the flower, in the cup. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Somebody. Woo! So pretty. Let me put that here. All these beautiful flowers, my goodness. I love that. This I think will be my favorite with the iridescence. And there's more, guys. Oh, this is like a mauve-y color, same as this one. But it has roses on here. Oh my god, this is beautiful. The video is not doing it any justice, but oh my goodness. And I don't want to take it out of the bags. If it has a bag, I'm going to try and put them back in it, because when I put them away, I don't want them to get, you know, dusty or whatever. Oh, These will take a little bit of reshaping because it just, you know, it was flattened, but these are still really, really pretty flowers, guys. But anyways, yeah, so she has her flowers out. Here we go. So this one is similar to this, where it's 5 sprays. It's got a lot of pretty, pretty iridescent petals. So it's different from this one. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, Rosa, thank you so much. Here's another one of the sprays, the same color, same flower. Oh my God, look at this. You know what? This would be so perfect with Carolyn's digital kit I want to play with. Oh, if I could get my life together, I really want to get into her digital kit. She has a digital kit that she shared with me, and I still have not got a chance to use it. But now we got flowers. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I can't wait. These are so, so pretty. Look at the little sprays also. I think it's the sprays that are getting me. The reason I'm liking these. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these flowers. With the dangly and the pearls and the loop-de-loops. Oh my gosh, look at this pearl loop here. This pearl spray. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. Oh, I'm just picturing that in my hair. It's iridescent too. Oh, so pretty. Put this over here. I don't know if you guys could even see this anymore. There's not enough space. Okay, and there's a white one with the iridescent, so it's similar to this one. You see that? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this lighting, I hope that you guys can see it with this bright, bright white light. You want light and you don't want light. Make up your mind, Eileen. But look at this one, is blue. It has like a baby blue tinge to it, or it is a baby blue. Can you see that? That is so pretty. Oh my God, I'm so in love with these flowers, guys. Oh, look at this pink. So this one has more, not iridescent, but it's a it's shiny. It almost looks like a metallic, but it's not. Can you see all that? How shiny that is compared to, you can see the like glittery stuff on this one. And then this one is more metallic-y. Oh, so pretty. You guys, the only one and only purple in the whole bunch. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, Rosa, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. It's very, very pale lavender. Very, 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 very pretty. Look at that. It's purple, guys. It's not pink if it shows pink, but this is purple, very light purple. Oh, so gorgeous. Look at this one. It goes with the peach collection, but look at that. You guys, she must have had like a steal, because she had 4 boxes of the same flowers set up. And here's another one of the blue, the white with the light blue in there. So it's the same one. And then there's more of the iridescent color one, but with the peach. So that one is so pretty. It's like this one. It looks like the pink, but this one's peach. And there's 2 bundles of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at, you guys, it looks like it's glowing. Can you see? There you go. Can you see that? Oh my God. It looks like there's a flower cup sequence that I just got from Cartwright's, but this is clear iridescent. it's a layer of that and then the flower petals, but then there's one little stamen. Oh, that's so pretty. Goes with the white. Look at this rose. So it's got the little nylon mesh, and then you have the iridescent leaves, and then the rose petals have a beautiful cup shape, like almost like a tulip cup, but it's not. It's a rose. So pretty. Okay, you guys. Oh, I just lost a bead. Uh-oh. Oh, bead down, bead down. I know where it goes though. It goes here. Anyway, there's another one of that iridescent, long, flowy one. This is pink. Ah, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Abby, this would look so pretty on your hot air balloon. Oh my god. That is so pretty. Oh, I love this. You guys, look at all of this. It's so many. There's so many. And there's another peach color one with little iridescence in it. I'm trying to get it to show, but I don't know if you guys can see it or not. But there's one in the peach. I just showed you the pink one. And it's lost. It's lost in the flower bundle. But here's a peach. Oh no, it's two. Oh, they're both peach. Yep, guys. And then here's another one with the baby blue. And let me see. Oh, here's the peach one again. Ooh, this. Oh, here it is. There's the same. These two are the same. Same. You guys, if it's not already enough, look at what else is in here. Another style spray with these with larger beads at the end. That is so pretty. I'm loving the beads. Oh, here's one of the lighter purple ones with the iridescent in it. Oh, so pretty. So that one is different. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And there's another peach one. There's two of that with the larger beads. Oh my gosh, you guys. And there it is, guys. So these are just little fern leaves. Oh, it's so pretty. This one's pink with the iridescent in it. Ooh, that is so pretty. This one's peach. There's two peach, one pink, and one white with the iridescence. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, and that is it, guys, for my Destash. Those were all of my flowers that I purchased from Rosa on YouTube. So please go check out her page. She's a very creative crafter. So give her a look and subscribe and let her know you came from my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please think of subscribing, joining my little family. And let's get crafting. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.